Okay, let's look at these problems from 7 and 5 using exponents. Only watch these videos after you have read the book. Yes? Now, if we notice over here, what do we see? We see that 3 times 4, so I can actually do this multiplication first. It gives us what? Negative 12 to the power of 2. And I know that negative 12, any negative number to an even power is going to be positive. So I know that this is what negative 12 times negative 12, which is what 144. That is the first answer. Here, the negative is outside, so it's not being the power is not influencing the negative, so it's actually 3 to the power of 3, which is 27. It'll be negative 27. Even though if the negative 3 was in parentheses, you know that because it's an odd power, it would still be negative here. It's negative 3 to the power of 4, so it's because it's inside the parentheses. The power is affecting all the number negative 3. Because it's a negative, it's not just minus 3. So this will be 81. And it's positive because it's a negative number to the power of an even number. Here we have to use the zero power property. Any number, variable, whatever to the power of 0 is 1. So this is actually, all of this is actually just 1. So this is negative 5 times 1, which is just negative 5. Here we have the same thing, 1 over 1, so this will be just negative 4. This would just be 1. Here I have negative 3 to the power of negative 2. We're going to use negative power or negative exponent property, so this is going to be 1 over negative 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. Same thing here, but first we have to use power of a power, so this is going to be 4 to the negative 2 times 2 to the negative 1 times x to the negative 1. So we notice because all of them are negative, that means that they're going to be in the denominator. So this is going to give us 4, so this is 1 over 16 times 2 times x, which is 1 over 32x. This is our actual answer. This last one we have again 4 to the power of 2, which is 16 times 2, which is 32. So this is 32 x to the negative 1. Then I use negative exponents property, so this is 32 over x. So you notice the difference. The parentheses affects or doesn't affect the property.